How to download your photos from iCloud. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial, and firstly make sure you have a proper working internet connection. To ensure if your internet is working or not, open your preferred browser and make a search. Once you have ensured your internet connection is good, launch the Settings application and tap on Sign In. To sign in, enter your Apple ID and your password. You will receive a verification code in your other device with the same Apple ID. Enter the verification code, and after entering the verification code, now enter the passcode of your device. Tap on the Merge option now and you will be signed in. Tap on the iCloud option and then on Photos. You will see the option for Sync this iPhone. Sync your iPhone, and once synced, tap on Download and Keep Originals option, and this way you will be able to download your photo from iCloud. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.